Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the new AC Infinity dual multi-purpose fan 80mm from again, that's AC Infinity. Here's the box that it all came in. AC adapter, rubber grommets to connect to the grills so you can position it. Here's one that I already have, a 120. See those grommets? You can position it any way you like. Perfect for Xboxes, hot Onkyo receivers, TiVo boxes. What else do I use it for? Oh, I'm going to use these new ones for my laptop and my ant miners. Make some coin. Not really. It doesn't look like I'm going to be making much. Regardless, let's see what's in the box. Alright. Instructions. Fan screws. Grills. Grills for the second fan. The rubber feet or grommets or whatever you want to call these things. 8 of them for each fan, front and back. And the cool thing about these AC Infinities is they come with a little second ganged USB and a power switch. And check this out. An AC adapter. That's awesome. That's probably the killer deal right there. All of this for under $20. I'll be back in a few minutes after I hook this up. And of course, now that I look at the instructions, guess what I did? I put them in backwards. So now we're going to have to pull those out and put them on the other side. Be right back. And we're back. Well, after fixing all the rubber feet snafu, helps if you read the instructions. Let's read the instructions some more and figure out how these shields go, or the grills go on. Alright. Locate the front of the fan, find the side that contains plastic beams. Plastic beams, okay, this is the front. Alright, I'll be right back after I put these shields on. I'm back. I got those grills installed. Front and back. And now, let's hook it up and see how it works. Since I bought this for my coin mining machine, my coin mining machine is a little laptop. It's a Windows 8 laptop. Got Black Friday this past Christmas for a song. Pretty nice. But this is what I really want it for. I'm going to plug it into USB. I'll plug it into the one that says, or is blue for the high speed. These babies are already on. I can feel them. Alright, I'm going to turn them off for just a second. The included switch. Yeah. And I'm going to attach my my miners to the USB port. Now what I've got here is a little 10-port USB 2 hub with 4 Bitmain ant miners on them, and it's got a little switch too. So eventually this is just going to be sitting someplace in my house, not sure where yet, but all it's going to be doing is running Bitcoin mining or PPC coin mining or one of the other SHA style coin that will take advantage of those ant miners, those USB ant miners. So I've got no USB on that side, so I'm going to plug it in over here where I have 2. And Let's turn this thing on, let the laptop recognize them. Unwind this. Get these things all out of the way. And I think I'm going to put this, for right now, I think I'm just going to hook it up like that. Turn the fans on. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's almost silent. They're on. You can see that they're on. And it's pushing a good amount of air. Perfect for what I need to do. Well, that's it. That's my unveiling of the AC Infinity twin 80mm cooling fans. 2 USB jacks, switched, and they come with an AC adapter to power them up. If you haven't tried these for cooling your stereo receivers, your Xboxes, your TiVos, your cable DVRs, highly recommended. Have a great day.